Have you ever been walking out at night and out the corner of your eye you detect a faint light source, and you look across and there's nothing there, and you look away again and it's there again? Or maybe you're looking up at the night sky and oh, like a faint patch of light which may be a star cluster. You look directly at it and you can't see it. You look away and it's still there. Well, if that is happening, that's what you're seeing, then you accidentally discovered something called averted vision. And so what is averted vision, and how can you use it to your advantage to pick out faint objects in the night sky? Well, in the back of your eye, behind the lens, in the centre, there's something called cone cells. These pick out colour and detail, but also are not very sensitive to light. But in the outer edges of the back of your eye, behind the lens, there's something called rod cells. These pick out more, less colour, more black and white, but are more sensitive to light. And so that is why when you see something out the corner of your eye and you can see it brighter than in the centre, that is averted vision, because it is hitting the rod cells, which are more sensitive to low light, and so you can pick out more detail. And so in the real world, how can you use this to your advantage? Well, first of all, as well as cooling down your telescope outside, security permitting, then to allow it to cool down to fully to the outside temperature, you can also allow your eyes to adapt to the dark. So maybe 10 or 20 minutes outside for your eyes to get fully adapted, so you can get a much more, your eyes are more sensitive, the cells at the back of your eyes, and so you can pick out more faint detail. And so when you do get the object that you're looking at, a faint galaxy or star cluster, or just a faint star, put it in the centre of the view, but look towards the edge, and it will suddenly appear brighter. You may be not picking out as much detail as you would if the light was hitting the cone cells rather than the rod cells on the outer or averted vision, but you'll still be able to pick out structure and yes, a little bit of colour, depending on how far away from the object you are looking at. And so that's a trick that you can use. And also I've noticed when maybe using a red dot finder, you'll see something that you're trying to centre, and then you're looking straight at it with the red dot and you're struggling to see it. Again, that's an effect of averted vision, because you're looking directly at something and not to one side. So give it a go. If you're looking at some faint star cluster, a star or a galaxy, dark skies permitting, put it in the centre of the view, but look towards the edge, and I'll guarantee it will appear much more bright than it would be if you're looking directly at it. It costs nothing to try other than your time and your patience. So wishing you dark skies, and I'll see you next time.